Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to this next video. We're talking about Exitus Elite and why I believe it's one of the best affiliate businesses out there. It's been running strong for 9 years now. It has a great owner in Paul Stevenson who cares about the business. We have weekly webinars where we have training for new people, and we also it's also a place where we learn about the new updates that are coming to Exitus Elite. Yes, 9 years later, and Exitus Elite is still getting updates. And you don't really see that in a lot of businesses that have been around for a long time. And in these webinars, you get to see that Paul Stevenson really cares about the business. He cares about our success. He cares about the company's future. And he has a vision for that future. And all I can say for Exitus Elite is it's an amazing opportunity. You don't just make like $100 commissions. You can, or $250 or $500 commission. You can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions to whatever payment processor that you choose. Now, I've been in a lot of businesses over the years that have come and gone. Most of them failed because of bad owners. And I know there are a lot of affiliate marketers and even people who just got it started in affiliate marketing that have joined businesses, and the owner of the company ends up running the business into the ground. Exitus Elite, I'm pretty sure, I have a good feeling they'll still be here 3 years from now or 5 years from now. Exitus Elite has everything that you need to find success in affiliate marketing, and all the training products that we sell are geared to helping you make money online. Now, in my videos, I always put some training into them. One of the key ingredients to success is getting seen and heard. That's why I love making YouTube videos, because people get to see the real me. That's why in a lot of my videos, I flash my phone number up there, because I want people to call me. I want people to call me because I want them to call me if they have any questions. I know Exitus Elite pretty much inside and out. And if I don't have an answer for you, then I will find the answer that you're looking for. Whether I have to go to my sponsor or go somewhere into the team Facebook group, whatever it is, I'm going to find that information that you need. I'm here to help you get started. I'm here to guide you. I will not do the work for you, because if I did that for every single person that came into my business, there's no way I would be able to concentrate on my own business. So the key is to get your people to the point where they're doing things on their own. Now, you may come across some people down the line that no matter how much you help them, they just don't put the work in that they need to find that success. So that's what I believe about Exitus Elite, and that's how you get sales in Exitus Elite. I always tell people to come in as high as they can possibly afford. I always recommend at the bare minimum the G1000, but I know not everyone can join that, so that's why I also say come in as high as you possibly can, because the higher you come in at, the more your downline is going to mimic what you do, because they can see that you believe in your business. You wouldn't invest that kind of money. I wouldn't invest that kind of money into a business I don't believe in. That's another thing too. Find a business that you believe in and then just go crazy in that business. I'm not a business hopper. I know there are some people out there that go to this business and this business and that business. I don't do that. I have maybe one or two businesses that I do at a time. And I always stay dedicated usually to one primary business and then one back-end business, like Power Lead System. That's my back-end business most of the time. So, and it's also my marketing tool. So, but you have to believe in what you do if you want to find success. And many people, I hate to say it, are really lazy. They're not willing to do whatever it takes. They don't truly want it in the beginning, so that's why they end up failing most of the time. I can give you all the tools and all the training and everything that you need to find success. And if you're not putting in the work and taking the action and getting seen and heard, you're never going to get there. Now, Exitus Elite, the products that we sell are educational tools that teach you how to make money online. So the education is there, but in the end, it's going to take your dedication and your getting out of your comfort zone a little, because most of the reasons why people end up failing is, one, they're not getting seen and heard. Who wants to join somebody that they don't know, or that they don't at least get the bare minimum of seeing and learning from? No one. And the other reason is a lot of people never get over their fears and hang-ups, the things that are holding them back. If I never started doing YouTube videos, I would never have found success. And I'm not saying that you can't make good money in Exitus Elite without doing videos, but there's very few people that I know of who have made it that don't have some kind of presence online through video marketing. So that's what I'm saying here. Exitus Elite is an amazing opportunity. If you are already an affiliate marketer, then you have everything that you need at your disposal to have a great source of income. Now, I would never tell anybody, no matter how much I believe in a business, to quit their job and to just join Exitus Elite and that's that. There's no way I would do that, because for a lot of people, you're brand new, so you're not ready to be able to do that yet. I still have not given. I still work part-time myself. I'm not at that point yet where I'm actually using Exitus Elite by itself. And I also do other things. I am self-employed. I have other gigs that I do. One of them is I do some deliveries, but I also have other things I do online too that is a source of income. But Exitus Elite has the life-changing potential in it, because we can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions. Now, one last thing before I go is I will not chase after people. That is one thing I'll never do. Like last week, I talked to at least 3 or 4 people, and all but one have not gotten back to me. They all 2 of them said they're looking to come in real soon. But am I just going to keep calling them and nagging them? Because if you're chasing after somebody, odds are it's somebody that doesn't want to do it. Or maybe they have an inkling that they want to do it, but they're just not committed yet. So I take all those people and I look at them as potential signups. I will never force people or coerce people into joining, the business if they don't want to. I want people that are serious, that really want to join Exitus Elite. And I'm not going to waste my time chasing after people that may never join. It's all a numbers game when it really comes down to it. The more people that you get out there, and the more people that are out there seeing your videos or your ad copy or your ads, whatever it is, the more people that see it are the ones that are eventually could join you. I've had people that contacted me a year later in some opportunities that I've done, and they came in a year later after I talked to them originally. So just because you don't get a lot of people in your business, don't believe that people are not watching. The more you're out there, the more you get seen and get heard, the more chances are you're going to get that $500 commission or that $1,000 commission, or even the lower products, the $250 commissions. Back in March and February of this year, I made an additional $400 just from somebody in my downline who upgraded from the G100 to the G250, and then he upgraded to the G500 in February. So that was an additional $400 I made just for somebody upgrading that's on my team. So just because you're not seeing results right away does not mean people are not watching and aren't interested. So the key is to always keep getting out there. Even if you're not getting results, the more you get out there, the better the chances are of you getting seen and heard. And if you're not doing videos, if you're doing something like paid advertising or something like that, always get people to get back to you. Make a way for people to contact you all over the phone, through email, through whatever it is. Because I treat every person that calls me as if it's a $1,000 call. It doesn't matter which place they come in at. I always treat them all the same. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you all in the next video. And there's going to be a lot more videos to come. I have some more Exitus Elite review videos, and I'm just going to keep them coming for the rest of the year. I did take a big break in between doing videos. My last video was probably like 3 or 4 weeks ago. But moving forward, my videos are going to be coming out like crazy. And I'll see you all in all of them. If you're interested in joining Exitus Elite, the link is in the description below, as well as my phone number and all of my contact info. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.